Sophos Review, App: the pros, the cons. If you're looking to protect your devices and data, the Sophos app promises enterprise-level security in a user-friendly package, but is it really effective? One of the biggest pros is comprehensive protection. Most people get this wrong by assuming mobile security apps are basic. Sophos provides malware scanning, wipe protection, and privacy advice, helping secure both your phone and sensitive data. It also allows you to check Wi-Fi safety, detect malicious links, and monitor device health. Title Start. Host Capital Savings Review. App: the pros, the cons. Title End. Script Start. Coast Capital Savings Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're a Coast Capital Savings member, the app promises to make banking simple, fast, and secure, but does it live up to the hype? One of the biggest pros is convenience. Most people get this wrong by assuming online banking apps are limited to checking balances. With Coast Capital's app, you can transfer funds, pay bills, deposit checks, and even manage your savings accounts all from your phone. It also offers quick balance checks without logging in fully, which is perfect when you're on the go. Security is another strong point. The app uses two-factor authentication and biometric login options like fingerprint or facial recognition. Notifications alert you to account activity, helping protect your money against fraud. For members who like control, it also allows you to set up account alerts for transactions, low balances, or incoming deposits. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional slow loading times, especially during peak hours. Advanced financial tools, like detailed spending analysis or budgeting features, are limited, which can frustrate users looking for a complete financial overview. Also, customer support through the app can sometimes be less responsive than contacting a branch directly. In conclusion, the Coast Capital Savings app is ideal for users who want quick, secure, and easy access to their accounts. The surprising truth is that while it handles everyday banking seamlessly, it's not a replacement for more comprehensive financial planning tools. For anyone seeking a straightforward mobile banking experience, the app provides convenience, security, and reliable functionality. Understanding its limitations ensures you can manage your accounts effectively without any surprises.